And can you speak of that sort of introspective process that chiropractors go through in discovering who they are and discovering how chiropractic can really be almost a compass or a guide to stay connected within, and also how it transferred into your path?
Yes. So back into the classic, when I grew up, my parents were both, my mom was a director of nurses. My dad was an engineer. We grew up north in a classic Roman Catholic family, right? So 1 of 9 kids. Yet I never felt connected to the creator of life than I did when I started tapping into chiropractic philosophy. And then when I started getting adjusted, that's when I understood this concept of what God was. Even though I spent every single Sunday in a 4-walled church, I understood the intellect, but I never connected to this thing, this universal intelligence, this source of love, until I discovered chiropractic. And I can only imagine what that sounds like from somebody who maybe have never experienced an adjustment or understand what the philosophy is. If they're watching this video going, oh, great, welcome to woo-woo land, right? Since you don't know me, if you're watching this tape, I would be the last person on the planet connected to woo-woo. Trust me on that, right? Yet experience speaks volumes. So there's this thing in chiropractic, Ben knows this, I'm talking to you guys that are watching the video. It's called ADIO, A-D-I-O, above, down, inside out. And it runs this true aspect of life. So it helps you remember who you be, right? So my vernacular is we're the driver, not the vehicle, meaning you're the spirit or innate intelligence that runs this machine, this body. You are not the body, right? So when you start tapping into that, you're now tapping into the infinite potentials of who you are, what your life's about, and then how you can help and serve other people. So the gift of chiropractic is really to help other people do the same thing, right? It's not to get into your ego and start fixing and curing stuff. That has nothing to do with it. Chiropractic actually was never meant to be in the healthcare field, period. It's about helping people make transitions and grow and evolve in their consciousness, discover their purpose for being on the planet and express that, and then, live heaven on earth, man.
Mm-hmm. And exactly why I said that every chiropractor that really embraces that way of being, that way of thinking, goes into their own journey, goes inward into their own journey.